My vote is outside. I mean, have you seen these numbers? The 60s tomorrow and
All
Sunday?
I see is sunshine.
I know it. Yeah, I'm totally digging the forecast this weekend. We are really set to enjoy some 60s for the afternoons with sunshine, and I want you to get out and enjoy it because rain does return early in the week, much needed rain. So here's what I need you to know. We've got sunshine all weekend, but that rain does return on Monday, and then it is followed by a big cool down Wednesday, Thursday, and into next weekend, maybe even some winter precip. I'll talk you through that in just a bit, but first I want to show you how cold it is across the rest of the country. This pocket of cold air continues to progress towards the south here throughout the day today. So if you're headed to the east coast, maybe the southeast, it's going to get very cold. We do have a low that is also developing off of the east coast, set to bring in quite a bit of snow across the mid-Atlantic to the north and east. This is some of the highest snow totals they could possibly see in the next 24 hours on record, at least top 5 in some locations, with really that snow focusing itself along the coast anywhere from New York to Boston, even portions of Philadelphia picking up close to 2 feet of snow in some locations. Blizzard warnings already in place along the mid-Atlantic towards the north and east for this weekend because of that expected snowstorm. If you're staying put here in Texas, though, it's actually looking pretty good. We'll see that sunshine, but right now, a little bit of rain across portions of South Texas. We hold off on the rain until Monday, about 40% coverage likely for us, followed by a quiet day Tuesday. And then that next system moves in Wednesday into Thursday. It's going to coincide with some cold air, and that could bring us the potential for some winter weather. Let me talk you through it. First, Monday. The more south you are, the more likely you are to encounter some of this rain. The more north you are, closer to the Red River, coverage is going to be quite a bit less. The Metroplex, somewhere between 40 to 50% coverage expected. This is how it plays out. Mostly in the morning. See how the bulk of that rain stays south of Interstate 20. Some scattered showers likely for the Metroplex, and then by the evening, most of it's gone. So a lot of this happening in the morning on Monday. Tuesday stays rather cloudy. Wednesday, that's when we see our next potential for some precip. But again, it coincides with some cold air, and that cold air could very well make it into the area, likely providing for some winter precip. So again, that'll be something to watch. This is bound to change. We're still several days out from this. So I want you to stay tuned right here to Channel 8 as we bring you the latest here as we get closer to that event, again, Wednesday into Thursday. That 10-day forecast for you is showing temperatures in the mid-50s today. Today's going to be the coolest day of the weekend. The mornings still remain chilly, about 67 degrees on Saturday, 68 on Sunday. It cools down a little on Monday thanks to that rain. It dries out on Tuesday, first day of February, but then look at the second half of next week. We go from the 60s all the way down to the 30s for highs on Thursday, Friday, and look at those morning lows. In the low 20s possible, that's not even factoring in the wind chill. So I need you to go out, enjoy the sunshine, get some of that vitamin for this weekend, because next week it's looking a little cloudy and definitely a lot colder, Sonia.
Yeah.